Okay, so I went ahead and pimped up my entire car with carbon fiber accessories. Now, I wouldn't suggest you to go ahead and purchase every single item out there because you might as well just buy another Model Y. Just kidding. But if you are a big fan of carbon fiber accessories, this video might inspire you. So let's check it out. So I have the Model Y Performance that already comes with a rear spoiler, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to sub it with the Halo Black rear spoiler, which is also carbon fiber. The rear spoiler from Halo Black comes elegantly packaged with stickers, air fresheners and extra 3M tape as freebies. What's even better is the product's matte carbon fiber finish with a unique indentation that adds a distinct design with branding at the bottom. Comparing to the OEM Tesla spoiler, the dimensions and design are identical except for the extra indentation that I love about this Halo Black accessory that makes it unique. In fact, I think the carbon fiber matte finish appears even more premium than the OEM spoiler. Installation is straightforward and easy. Align the spoiler to the center. Once you've found your center, use the included sticker to hold the spoiler to the body of the trunk. Separate them at the perforation. Remove the 3M tape and that's all there is to it. You can also add the included sticker if you like. I really like the spoiler, it's made really well. And finally, use painter's tape to ensure that the adhesive sticks well for at least a few hours. The next carbon fiber accessory is from a brand called Yhcdsea, also in matte finish. The product claims to be made with real carbon fiber and is well made with precise cutouts. It holds together with 3M tape, of course, like most of the accessories that I'm going to be featuring in this video. I specifically love the 3 outdented lines that add a great touch of exterior styling to the car. Next up are side mirror covers from a brand called Telluride, which feature an ox-horn design inspired by BMW's M Performance cars. Despite already having the matte black vinyl wrap, I decided that I'll install these real carbon fiber side mirror covers for their excellent matte finish. They hold together with 3M tape, just like most of the accessories I'm going to feature. I like the rounded edges that extend beyond the mirror's borders, almost like they came with the car. This further elevates my car's exterior and I'm loving it. Okay, so I'm going to start installing carbon fiber in unexpected places where you wouldn't really consider, like these seat belts for example. These trims from Yhcdsea are made of real carbon fiber with a matte finish, and they add a small yet appreciated attention to detail that adds to my carbon fiber upgrades, and I like it. Next on my list is to cover the center console with a great looking matte finish real carbon fiber trim from Yhcdsea. Now, I'm not sure how many times I'm going to keep saying real carbon fiber, but I have to mention it for the purpose of this video. This two-piece product fits perfectly and even comes with a cutout to place your Tesla keycard. It will not interfere with the opening or closing of the console. The rear air vent is very simple and bland to my liking in this hard plastic. The brand Telluride that I just mentioned offers an additional rear carbon fiber trim for the vent and the bottom half. This is a very simple installation that makes a big difference to the interior. To complete the center console upgrade, I added the real carbon fiber cover for the armrest from Yhcdsea with a beautiful matte finish. I love the overall look of the center console, another set of accessories that look factory made. It's a nice upgrade, isn't it? Moving to the back seat, let's add another trim to the cup holder section on the rear armrest, also from Yhcdsea. This time I chose gloss finish to make sure that it stands out since it can be hard to notice this small trim. I'm also going to add carbon fiber accent to the dome light, another perfectly made accessory with real carbon fiber. Let's upgrade the steering section now. I'm beginning to really notice just how many sections of the interior are made of plain ordinary looking plastic. It's no wonder why there are so many accessories that exist for the Tesla Model Y. These real carbon fiber matte trims from T-Parts, which is a brand I just recently reviewed, are also a good start to upgrading the wheel. By the way, most of these accessories in this video can be also found in gloss finish if that's your preference. The cutouts are precise and align perfectly with the steering buttons. You'll definitely notice a subtle but distinct difference after adding the carbon fiber trim. I will now cover these gear stalks in bright red carbon fiber from Yhcdsea. I chose red to add that one pop of color to my interior, which I kind of like. I appreciate the suede texture at the back of the cover that kind of protects the original stalks, and you don't really need 3M tape, just clip it onto the stalks and you're good to go. To complete my steering wheel upgrade, I added these two-piece steering wheel caps from Yhcdsea again, another well-made accessory that I recommend. This time I chose gloss finish to kind of change it up a bit, but you can also go for the matte version as well. Okay, so let's cover more plain looking hard plastic. This time let's cover the entire section around the door button with the real carbon fiber trims sourced from Yhcdsea. There's a tiny cutout for each section, including the door buttons. Here's how it looks before, and this is how it turns out after adding these trims. To the exterior, and let's add some carbon fiber trims to the door handles of the car. Shout out if you were able to count how many times I said carbon fiber. Although I prefer the matte black finish for this video, let's just pimp it up a bit. The carbon fiber trims have a very minimal appearance, so they don't really stick out too much, if that's your concern. I guess many of you didn't consider this one, but I like that the charging port also comes with a carbon fiber accent if you want it. So I picked this up from Amazon, and I like the little lightning icon that is indented into the panel. I really recommend this and you should try it out. I picked up the imitation carbon fiber rear side window trim from Amazon to add a bit of flair to my Model Y's exterior styling. I don't usually recommend imitation carbon fiber, but this one is not too bad at all. Another item I found on Amazon are these carbon fiber covers for the seat adjustment buttons below the front two seats. So I'm going to be on a little bit of a rant and going to say that there are still more interior buttons that I find that are made of plain plastic material, which many brands tend to have more premium material like aluminum. So these covers are perfect to hide them away. This upgrade may be small, but it's incredibly useful. These hooks have a carbon fiber pattern and are great for holding my grocery bags. Simply lift up the headrests and hook them through. Keeping the door sills clean from foot marks is almost impossible, especially when you're camping or going to the beach, especially in the summer. These carbon fiber-like protectors are easy to install for both the front and back seat passengers with the help of 3M tape and Velcro. In fact, I prefer the way it looks even more than its practical use, which is why I kind of wanted to feature it in this video. One of my most useful and favorite accessories is this food/laptop tray in a carbon fiber pattern. It's well made with indentation for the phone and the cup, and comes in this very handy sleek pouch. I have never left on a road trip without it. When it comes to carbon fiber, I could add a roof spoiler or side camera in the future, or even a dashboard trim in carbon fiber. However, I already have these in matte black and Alcantara for the dashboard, which I'm kind of reluctant to replace as of now. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check this video out for all those new Tesla owners who are considering their first accessories. Until the next time, take care my internet friends. Bye-bye.